In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country location on Facebook Marketplace. This is helpful if you're planning a move, shopping while traveling, or just curious about what's available in another country. I'll walk you through the exact taps you need, plus a few practical tips so you know what to expect. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in and on the home screen. From there, look to the upper right corner and tap the three horizontal lines. This is the main menu, and it's where Facebook groups the shortcuts to different features. Next, tap Marketplace. It usually appears near the top of the menu. Once you're in Marketplace, you'll see a feed of local listings. To change where those listings come from, find the location pin icon on the Marketplace screen. It's often near the search bar or along the top row of filters. Go ahead and tap that location pin. A map will open with a highlighted area showing your current shopping region. To change countries, press and drag the map to the new area you want to browse. Use two fingers to pinch and zoom out until you can see the broader region, then zoom in over the specific country. Keep dragging until the circle or pin is centered where you want to shop. Take a moment to fine-tune the exact city or region. Choosing a major city often gives you more results. When the map reflects the location you want, tap Apply to confirm your change. Marketplace will refresh, and your feed will now show listings from the new country. You may notice prices in a different currency and item availability that's specific to that region. Shipping and pickup options can also differ by country, so review seller details carefully. If your feed doesn't update, double check that you tapped Apply. You can repeat the same steps to switch to another location at any time or to go back to your original area. The layout may look slightly different depending on your device, but the process is the same. Open the app, menu, Marketplace, location pin, move the map, and apply. A couple of quick tips as you browse. Selecting a central location in the country can widen your results, and zooming in helps you focus on a specific city. Also, always review listing descriptions and seller ratings and confirm pickup or shipping plans before committing. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to change your country location on Facebook Marketplace and tailor your browsing to exactly where you want to shop. Happy exploring and stay safe while buying and selling.